setting up an Excel video to help you out with creating histograms in Excel. So in here in this file, you can see I've got two tabs, data, where we will create the random set of data to be used, and then in the histogram tab, we will actually create the histogram chart. So the data, I'm going to go up to cell A1, I'm going to label my column header data, and then I'm going to create a formula, which is equal RAND for random, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and then multiply by 100 so that I get decimal points. And then I'm going to go to cell A2 where the formula exists, and I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to press Shift, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down to cell 101 so that I can get 100 data points because the first cell is the data label. So now that I'm down there, I'm going to hit Control V. I'm going to paste, and you can see all the formulas there in each of these cells down. These are all formulas though, so I want to make sure that they don't remain formulas because they will keep changing every time I hit enter. I'll just show you. See, every time I do that, it will create a whole new data set. So to keep some sanity and keep the numbers the same when you're working with the histogram, you're going to copy by pressing up here in the column header, in the column label name A, you're going to left click there for the whole thing. You're going to hit Control C, and then over here in the next tab, you're going to highlight again column A, and you're going to use this clipboard function, drop down, and you're going to under paste special, you're going to select values only. And there you go. You can see all the formulas are gone. There are lots of decimal numbers here. This whole column is already formatted as a number, which is good. If you, for some reason, it came over as general, you'll see that there's a lot more numbers here, and it'll be treated as text instead. So in order to change that, you'll change this up here in the settings to be a number. And if there are if there are not enough decimal points here, you can use this button here to increase a decimal, or you can use this button here to decrease a decimal. And again, you can highlight the whole column to address the whole data set at the same time. Easy. So to create the histogram, you're going to highlight the whole column again by pressing the column label at the top, A, left click that, and then you're going to do the insert option, and over here where it says recommended charts, you're going to go to histogram, and it will automatically generate it for you. Now, this may not be exactly what you're hoping for, but it will at least get you started. So you can see that it definitely has all of the data points in here, and you can see how it's tracking the total number of occurrences for each data set, subset in there. To make sure that we feel like this, or we can confirm that it actually worked right, you can take, again, highlighting column A, and if you were to hit the data button, you'll see a sort ascending so that it puts it in increasing order, and it automatically puts it in increasing order. And again, because the formulas are gone, they're real numbers to work with, so that's not a problem. So let's just test this. If our first range is 1.61 to 22.61, let's check and see. So 22.61 is in between there. So I can see that here at the bottom it says count 19, and I can see I am just below that number, or if I just hover over this bar, it says data 19. So that's exactly right. So that's awesome. But again, like I said, this might not be formatted to the way that you need it to for your assignment. So if you were to right click inside any of these bins, it'll highlight the whole data set. And you can do a format button, and it will automatically bring up the chart options. And if you go to the data option under chart and scroll all the way down under data, oh, sorry, it's under format. You can see under series data, you can change this, right? So the number of bins, you can select it to be by category. You can be, right now it's automatically identified. You can do it with a specific bin width, or you can create a specific number of bins. So let's say that you need to have a specific number of 10 bins. Just go and press that button and it will automatically take the numbers and recalculate it. And you can see how it has recalculated these boundaries between the numbers, or for the range of the bins. But the numbers still make sense. Again, if I were to take 1.61 to 11.32, I have a total of 10 records here, and it's showing 10 records here. So that makes total sense. Again, over here in the format, if you right click and you hit the format button, it will show you all of these options that you can work with. And if you need help with any of these, let me know. But you can change lots of different things about it. The colors of the cells, the labels of the axes, and then even the chart title. So hopefully this gives you a little bit to help you. If you take a look and you need any help, let me know, and I will talk you through it or send you another video. All right? Love you, babe. Bye.